Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you all? I'm your tutor Mariam Khan and you are watching the Progressive Learning. In the lecture series of microbiology, today we will discuss about development of vaccine, how vaccine was developed and how it's used. Development of vaccine. Pasture used another technique to discover vaccine by using a material from cow pox. Shortly after Charles and Chamberlain, he developed a vaccine known as attenuated vaccine of anthrox. They next prepared rabies vaccine by itself by different methods, and pathogen was attenuated by another host, rabbit. He injected the pathogen into the rabbit. After the infection, rabbit was tired. And when the brain and spinal cord of the rabbit was removed and dried, after that a 9-year-old boy, Joseph Mason, had been bitten by a rabid dog. The boy's death was certain in the absence of treatment. Pasteur tried vaccination 13 times and patient survived. This was the first use of vaccination in France. Let me tell you how a Pasteur prepared a vaccine. Diptheria Bacillus produced a toxin known as entrotoxin. This toxin was injected to rabbit, and the rabbit body produced anti-toxin against it. And this antitoxin was obtained, and antitoxin work in our blood and produce humoral immunity. It's over from my side. Hope so this lecture is beneficial for you. If you like it, please like and subscribe my channel. If you found any difficulty, then follow me on Instagram, link given in description. See you soon in next lecture. मेरी को दें इजाज़त. Allah Hafiz.